name is Celena Fisher, and I'm studying cybersecurity in the Master's of Science Cybersecurity program. I had been kind of researching, going back and forth what program I wanted to study for after my bachelor's. And I did a lot of Google research, and I ended up finding Cal State Dominguez, and that they offered a cybersecurity program. This one stood out to me because it wasn't online, and I like to come in and get the hands-on experience and my lab work and stuff like that. And that's how I ended up choosing this one. It's local. The population of the students is very diverse, and affordability. It's a lot of fun. Sometimes you get a little scared about a lot of these topics because you think you have to be super technical or come from a technical background. Me not being from any of those categories, it was actually a very nice experience being able to do a lot of hands-on labs. And my teachers are very excited to help you no matter what skill level you're at. And there's always opportunities to learn. Kind of like I love the subject. I'm lucky enough to have a job at an aerospace company, so I kind of want to do something with cyber and communications for military satellites. I know here they have so many different opportunities, and toro.hack was something I just wanted to see, definitely to see what else is out there and get to know a lot of my classmates or people in the field that go here and see some of my teachers. Fun, challenging, and beneficial to growth.